Hello, this is Ingrid Schneider, and this is my student learning outcome. It focuses around different types of leadership styles that I can use to get the students more engaged to being back in the classroom. The specific challenge is encouraging students to return to in-person classes. And due to the COVID pandemic, it has created such a negative impact to return to the classroom as the students have become so accustomed to attending classes virtually and kind of, as I always say, to zoom in order to zoom out, and they are a little bit more less engaged. Faculty and staff have been faced with challenges to get the students to come back and have meaningful class discussions and get the students more excited about working together and being together. So the first goal is to achieve a better in-person attendance. And with that being said, the attendance policy needs to be clearly stated in the syllabus, and it is required for the applied design department. Students must notify the instructor ahead of time if they need to attend class via Zoom due to a COVID symptom. And then for students to have a unexcused absence, they must advocate for themselves and meet with the dean of students. And the dean of students will notify the faculty if an absence is excused. Secondly, to facilitate a more interactive and, for lack of a better word, fun class experience, there are quite a few different ways that can be achieved. For example, starting class with 5 minutes of social time, where students can have the opportunity to talk to each other and connect. Secondly, having small group discussions and critiques so that the students are not talking to an entire classroom but talking in smaller groups. A lot of times that creates a better interactive experience and they're more comfortable. And then lastly, having low stake group projects to foster communication and collaboration and getting back to the norm. These types of experiences allow me to practice transformational leadership which may motivate the student to attend class in person. The third goal is to provide accessible ways for the students to give me feedback as a faculty member. For example, having a Google form just dedicated to submitting feedback or anonymously to me so that they have a way to communicate with me some ideas, and they might have a lot of great ideas. Furthermore, I offer open office hours. They are done both in person as well as via Zoom so that students can come and meet with me and even just talk about life as they are transitioning back to in-person classes. This is a great way, and it allows me to practice appreciative advising and, encourage them to come and connect with me. In the end, when these goals are achieved, students will have a better collaborative experience in class with their peers as well as with their instructor. And this will allow them to succeed, to enjoy their course of study, and enjoy being back in person. Thank you.